Morning guys, we're just about to join Sean and Kurt here doing a standard junction installation from a downstream point into the junction. Got the pressure vacuum box on vacuum and the guys are now installing the bladder into the junction felt. We're using the Sacpro junction bladder here with the retraction rope through the branch arm. Now pressurise the bladder to blow it up inside the felt to watch the branch arm come out through the branch of the felt. Okay, so once the branch arm bladder is up to the top of the felt, what we'll do now is Kurt will actually retract the bladder and the felt together, while Sean will use that retraction rope just to keep the pressure onto it. So we're retracting the branch arm into the body of the junction. Once retracted, we'll then go to vacuum on our pressure vacuum box, suck the liner and bladder down and make it nice and tight for installation. Rubber bands onto the front just to ensure it all stays together and hold it nice and tight. Ensuring that the lines, which are the black lines there, which are used for the positioning of the junction, are clearly visible. Now ready for installation. So the flex tool goes into the pipe, and at this point in time we actually have a camera installed into the branch arm, which we're actually watching through the monitor to ensure that the junction is lined up. You see it coming into position now. And we're looking for those black outlines on that felt to help us position the junction. Once in position, we then go from vacuum into inflation pressure to start inverting that branch arm out from the main body of the bladder. Junction installed. Once it's installed like that, we just go to pressure and curing pressure on the pressure vacuum box, and then we just sit there and wait for the resin to cure up. Job done.